Yo guys, so hope all is well. Today we'll say how to upload your project in GitHub. So first of all, what all you need is your GitHub profile. And I am here as you can see in my github.com, Jackie Berman. So now here you can see there is one tab called repositories and you have to go there. So first of all, when you go there, you will find all your existing repositories. And if you want to create a new repository, then you have to click on new. After that, here you can see your owner and then the repository name. First of all, you have to give the name. So I am showing you that I have one project to upload. That is my Spring Boot project. So I'm showing here that my Spring Boot and basically one project related to CRUD operations. So I have given the name and it is showing, yeah, it is perfect and it is available. So basically in this description you can write about your project. So my first project, I am giving it the name as my first project on Spring Boot. And after that guys, you can simply create the repository by clicking on create repository. And once it is created, it will show you something like that, and it will create some git folder like that. And so basically what you have to do, you have to go to a terminal, and I hope it is visible. And the terminal, you have to run the command called git configuration for your configuration purpose. So okay, let me first go for it. So you have to write git config, and after that minus minus global, and after that you have to give your user.name. So the name as a user in the GitHub profile. So I'm giving my name. It was Jackie Verman. So I am giving the same name, and you hit enter, and then go to git config the same. But in this case, instead of name, you should give email, and you should give your valid email, which is connected to your username. So I am giving my user one email. Yeah, that hit enter and its configuration is done perfectly. That's why there is no error or nothing. So basically I have to go to your project. So now I'll show you where my project is. So as you can see, there is one project, so named CRUD crude operation. So this is in my desktop. So to go to this project, what I have to do, I have to go to terminal and I have to go to cd desktop, run this command to enter the desktop, and there you have to go to CRUD to go to the respective project. So I am inside project, and if you want to see, you can run the ls command, and as you can see, my front end Angular and Gradle test is my Spring Boot application for backend. So now what I have to do is I have to run the command called git init and hit enter, and you can see that it is showing you that it is initialized empty git repository in your respective file. So after it is done, you simply go and git add run this command and hit enter. So it is done. After it is done, you can easily commit. So basically you run the command called git commit minus m, and you can show some message. So I'm showing it like my first commit. So yeah, after this is done, here hit enter, and you can see all the folders and files inside your project will be shown here, right? So after it is done, so what I am going to do is I am going to see that my status, so on which branch I am right now. So run the command called git branch. So hit enter, and you can see right now I am in master, right? So to show the status, you can see run git status instead of git branch, and you can see it is showing on branch master, nothing to commit. Yeah guys, okay, I will zoom it so that you can see it clear. Yeah, so as you can see, I am already on branch master. So now what I have to do, since where the it was created, so go there and you'll find that this command called git remote add origin. So you have to copy this and go to terminal and paste the same command here and hit enter. After that, you can simply go to git branch minus m and main. So you go to main, and now after that you can push your project. So git push, run git push minus u origin main. So since you changed to main, so I am running the git push command like that only. So hit enter, and after you hit enter, it will request for your username. So as you already know, whatever your username is, you give that username, and after that hit enter, it will request for the password. So you know your password. So after giving the password, it will be successfully uploaded. So now you can see that it is done 100%. So you go to that where the repository was created and refresh the page. Okay, let us see. Yeah, after it is refreshed, you can see my folder is already uploaded. So this is how you can upload. So I will also show you how to delete your repository if you want to delete one. So I'm not interested to delete this repository. So let me go all to all the repositories. Yeah, now you can see here, check one, there is one repository is there. So I'll go to that repository, and on the top right you can see the setting button. Go to there and scroll down, and there is a danger zone, and here you can see in the last row it is showing the delete this repository. So basically you have to go delete this repository, and you have to enter your username and followed by the project name. So after you write it, so you confirm it, and you just hit delete this repository. After you are done, confirm your password, and you are done with this. And now you are already done with the deletion of this. And now let us go to my profile and let us check. So there are 21 repositories right now. There are 20, and you go to repositories, you will see that my check one repository is no more there. It is deleted successfully. So that's all guys. Thank you so much.